Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the Garmin Fenix 8 AMOLED versus Amazfit T-Rex 3. We'll dive into their amazing features, check out their prices, weigh the pros and cons, and crown the ultimate winner. Let's jump right in. First up, the Fenix 8 comes in vibrant colors like orange, yellow, black, blue, green, and gray. Meanwhile, the T-Rex 3 keeps it classic with lava and onyx black. The T-Rex 3 boasts a slightly bigger screen at 1.5 inches, while the Fenix 8 measures 1.4 inches. Both feature AMOLED displays, are 1080p and water resistant, and have always-on screens. For durability, the Fenix 8 impresses with sapphire crystal glass compared to the T-Rex 3's Gorilla Glass. The bezel on the Fenix 8 is stainless steel or titanium, while the T-Rex 3 sticks with stainless steel. Both watches let you swap out bands, so style isn't an issue. When it comes to resolution, the T-Rex 3 pulls ahead with 480 by 480 pixels over the Fenix 8's 454 by 454 pixels. The T-Rex 3 is thinner at 13.8 millimeters, while the Fenix 8 measures 14.7 millimeters. Both are touchscreen friendly, but the Fenix 8 is heavier at 102 grams stainless steel or 92 grams titanium compared to the lightweight 63 grams T-Rex 3. And here's the game changer. The Fenix 8 includes advanced ABC sensors and SatIQ tech, which the T-Rex 3 lacks. Both watches share a suite of sensors, including ambient light, monitors blood oxygenation, HR, heart rate, accelerometer, temperature, compass, GPS, barometer, gyro, cadence sensor. Tracking, both watches monitor sleep, stress, steps, distance, and pace. They also generate sleep reports, count swimming laps, track elevation, and offer multi-sport modes. Compatibility? No worries. Both work with iOS and Android devices. For connectivity, both feature Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC. However, the Fenix 8 also supports AN+, which the T-Rex 3 doesn't. When it comes to battery life, the Fenix 8 leads slightly with 29 days, while the T-Rex 3 offers 27 days. Storage. The Fenix 8 packs 32 gigabytes, outshining the T-Rex 3's 26 gigabytes. Smart features are robust in both. They include offline maps, HRV tracking, VO2 max, call controls, phone location, notifications, ECG, and silent alarms. When it comes to price, the Garmin Fenix 8 AMOLED is a premium option at $199. Meanwhile, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 is far more budget-friendly at $280. It's a classic case of top-tier features versus affordability. Choose wisely. Let's see the pros and cons of both watches. Garmin Fenix 8 AMOLED Pro premium build with advanced features. Con: hefty price tag. Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro affordable with solid functionality. Con: lacks ANT+ and sapphire crystal. Now it's time to win. The Garmin Fenix 8 AMOLED takes the crown with its vibrant color options, sapphire crystal durability, extra sensors, AN+ support, longer battery life, and larger storage. However, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 shines in areas like screen size, resolution, slim profile, lightweight design, and unbeatable price. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.